Check out this 2015 Dodge Challenger. This is a one-owner car. It is an SXT with the RT striping on it. So you get the look of an RT at a fraction of the cost. Aftermarket wheels been added to it. The hood pins. Nice little custom look. Sets this car apart from just your regular SXTs. The original wheels and Michelin tires are available with it if negotiated out in the price, if you'd be interested in that, but looks absolutely tough with those black Vox wheels on there. A little over 30,000 miles in this car. We'll start it up here in a second, give you the exact mileage, about 31,000 I believe. Extremely clean. It was a mature owner that had it. He has since passed, so we're actually selling it for the estate. It's a very nice, well taken care of car. Driven and respected. Not abused. This one, what you see in the videos and the pictures is what you're going to see in person. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, check out the underside of the car, the engine bay, interior. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Does have cloth buckets and automatic in it. We'll slip around here and check out the interior. You can see there's not a bunch of wear, rips, tears, stains, or anything like that on the seats. Interior's in very nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. What is it, 31,855? So a little under 32,000. Automatic climate control, automatic transmission, touch screen for the radio. Still got a nice little sound to it. So there you have it, 2015 Dodge Challenger SXT with the RT striping, hood pins, aftermarket wheels. If you'd like to inquire about this car, give us a call, 507-386-1726, or check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.